Welcome to our channel. To update the firmware of your Bose QuietComfort earbud, next, download and install the Bose Music app from the App Store or Google Play Store, if you haven't done so already. Open the Bose Music app on your smartphone. Sign in with your Bose account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once signed in, make sure your Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Turn on your QuietComfort earbuds and put them into pairing mode. In the Bose Music app, tap on the Add Product option. Select your QuietComfort earbuds from the list of available devices. After connecting, tap on your earbuds to access their settings. Look for a notification indicating that a firmware update is available. If an update is available, tap on the Update button to initiate the process. Ensure your earbuds remain within Bluetooth range during the update. The app will display the progress of the firmware update. Once the update is complete, you will receive a notification confirming the successful update. You can now use your updated Bose QuietComfort earbuds with the latest features and improvements. Make sure to restart your earbuds to apply any changes. Enjoy your listening experience with your newly updated firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.